Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts and choosing the right view. Sign into iCloud and add any Google or Exchange accounts so events sync everywhere. Once done, pick your default view. Week is efficient for scheduling multiple items, and enable time zone support so travel won't break times. Make sure notifications are allowed. They remind you without opening the app. Now you're ready to create focused events with reliable alerts and cross-device syncing. You now create events with structure. Tap the plus, enter a clear title, add location and travel time to calculate arrival, and set at least one alert. Once done, invite participants and attach files or notes so everyone has context. Make color-coded calendars for work, personal, and projects. That visual separation reduces conflict. If something repeats, set a recurring rule or save a template. This saves typing and keeps consistent reminders over time. You finish by fine-tuning and knowing how to fix issues. Review settings to confirm calendars are syncing. If events are missing, force refresh, toggle calendars off and on, or re-log in to the account. Use search to find items quickly and hide calendars temporarily to diagnose duplicates or conflicts. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account or rebuild the calendar cache. That usually clears corruption while preserving iCloud data. This keeps your schedule accurate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.